Hey everybody, real quick, I got a '09 Chevy Impala. Needed a pressure line, power steering pump pressure line. So just had to stick your 3/8 ratchet in there. That is the that controls the slack in the belt. You have to remove the belt. So just push down like that, set it to lock, and then you just press down. That takes the tension. That's the tensioner. Takes it off of the belt. You can remove the belt and make sure you have a diagram. Go online. I drew a diagram. That's the diagram I drew for myself. So I knew how the belt went back on. And you're going to take off the coolant reservoir. It was right there. I just, took the two bolts off and set it out of the way. And that made it much easier to work with. See that metal tube that goes to the return line. I just separated that from the metal from the rubber hose that's on the power steering pump. That's the power steering pump. And the good thing about this, you don't have to take the wheel off. Look between the fins and you'll see the bolts. You just take the three bolts out and the thing, it frees it up. You just have to lift it off and you see that metal tube there? That goes to the pressure line. That's the one I replaced. Just get your wrench and loosen that up. And then you have to find a way to get to the underneath by the steering rack, by the where it connects. That's the difficult part. So I had to move a few things out of the way. Some people online I've seen they drop the subframe. Not me. I just took some things out of the way, cleared a path, and I was able to access it from the top. You can look down there and see. You see those two right there? That's the return line, and I want to say the pressure line. And so I got the pressure line done, and just put everything back together. Refer to your diagram. This worked for me. It may not work for everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.